In this video, we will see how to use Hubstaff time tracking step by step. Simple and powerful employee work tracker with screenshots, timesheets, billing, in-depth reports, and more. Understand productivity issues and act on them. Let's go to pricing. Here are the 4 premium packages that Hubstaff offers with different features. I will go with the 5th package, which is free for 1 user. Click over the free plan. Enter your name, work email, strong password. Checkmark terms, privacy policy, and DPA. And click over Create My Account. Verify your email address. Click over to confirm the account. You can create an organization join as a business owner, or start as a team member of an existing organization. Where does your team work? In an office, in the field, or both places? I will go to the office. Enter some basic information to create an organization. Organization name, enter your company website URL. I don't have one. Team size. Industry type. How did you find out about Hubstaff? And you can invite a manager using email. Check mark if you are currently using these management tools, and then click over Continue. Besides time tracking, what else are you interested in? You can choose Mentor desktop activity, approve timesheets, submit expenses, send and receive invoices, schedule shifts and time off, pay your team, or you can only use Hubstaff for time tracking. Check mark over here, and click over Continue. Enter your project names. Or you can add more names from here. Click over Continue. Choose a plan that is right for you. I will choose a plan later. Welcome to Hubstaff. Click over and go to Dashboard. Here is my Hubstaff dashboard. You can see, create a project option, track time, adjust settings, invite your team, view reports, and choose a plan. Here is another time tracking option, and if you go over here, you can see a timer over here. Click over here. Select a project. I will go with the demo. In the to-do list, add a project. Enter to-do. Choose Assignee and click over Save. Click over here, and you can see, time starts now. You can adjust it anywhere on the screen. If you click over the cross, you can see, the timer is still working. Let's click over here, and stop the time tracker. Let's go to Timesheets. Here you can see, the project time tracker is here. You can see the project name, duration, and time. You can see the daily, weekly, and calendar from here. Click over Insights. Let's try it. You can enable app and URL tracking. Check highlights, daily utilization average, activity, work time, and leaderboard. In project management, you can see the project name, team, members, to-dos, and total budget. In to-dos, you can add an assignee and mark it as complete a job. You can duplicate or add to-dos from here. In reports, you can explore general reports of time and activity, daily totals or weekly, work sessions, manual time edits, or work breaks. You can see owned payment, weekly, daily, and overall project budget limits. In time and activity, you can see the total time worked per day. In the daily total, you can see the number of members worked, break time, and average hours per member spent. You can also check out amounts daily. You can check all payment reports from here. Let's explore people's options. Here you can see the total team members. You can export, import members, and also add from here. You can add your team for work. In security and settings, you can explore organization, projects, security and login, product links, and members. In the feature, you can add timesheets, overtime, achievements, work breaks, insights, and show and hide features. You can integrate third-party products and add billing information, choose a plan, charge a card, and check billing history. Here you can check notifications, news, and offers. You can explore more Hubstaff tools to enhance progress. You can explore your profile. This is how you can use Hubstaff for time tracking. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.